Good afternoon, Sharks. My name is Jessica Batto, and today I'm going to be speaking about my company named Artly. So, what is the Artly Creative, you might ask? Well, the Artly Creative, I'm going to break down for you, split into three main categories because I'm on a bit of a time crunch. So, we're going to be covering what is Artly, my research and demographics, and I'm going to be showcasing my final results. So, let's get started. What is Artly? Well, Artly is a community of creatives. It's a single location where creatives can go to find all the useful tips and information that they might need to build their brand. It can also be used as a platform. Actually, at the base of it, it is used as a platform. Think of an Etsy platform where the creative can market their products and sell, and it's a new perspective on creativity. So the practical uses for Artly are exploring, skills, thinking, and launching. Well, exploring is kind of summed up in today's society where information is literally at our fingertips. We can sometimes feel overwhelmed whenever we're researching for a particular skill or craft. As creatives, it's not easy to hone in our skills. It's not easy to find just one solid location where you need all the information. So Artly kind of solves that problem in the sense of, since it's a community, there are multiple creatives from multiple places and assets in their skill set that are available to offer help and offer information and offer tips. And it's as easy as signing up and launching your brand. I wanted it to be a network of critical thinkers encouraging free thought. So, what makes critical thinking important? Well, critical thought is defined as the objective analysis and evaluation of an issue in order to form a judgment. When you analyze your craft, you can understand it better. So, through the process of feedback and information and tips, Artly was designed to encourage critical thought, to encourage that process in all of us. What defines a creative is a person whose creative work shows sensitivity and imaginations. This includes artists, designers, writers, photographers, etc. Basically, any person who is creating material, who is creating a product, who wants to make the best product that they can to get their thought process and their goals and their concepts across clearly. So I started off with my logo development. It was a bit of a backward process, but we started off with our logo development, and originally I wanted to have artistic aspects to my logo. So I used two different fonts, and the Bitly influence is Bitly has that little .ly at the end of their URLs, and I thought this was kind of like my own little shout out to creatives. So here you have my original logo, which is two separate fonts. I wanted to make the A dynamic so that eventually I could have different variations of my logo of just being the A and you would still be able to recognize it. After some revision, I came up with my final logo. This felt a little bit more tech savvy, a little bit more modern, and a little bit more influencing. The color choice was gender neutral because I wasn't looking to attract one specific gender over another for my demographic. So I got started with my social media campaign, and here you see my banner. A new perspective on creativity. Do something great. And I wanted Artly to be created in order to make creatives get into this thought process of let's make something great. Let's make something that not necessarily hasn't been done before, but let's enhance it. Let's make it more modern and more appealing to the general public. So here we have a graphic for my Twitter page, artly.us. And I wanted to keep it a little bit more personalized, have like a more community vibe to it. So I chose graphics for my ads that were a little bit more relatable to artistic or creative people. I wanted different perspectives and I wanted different medias and different mediums to attract a broader audience. I wanted just anyone who considers themselves a creative of any age, of any category, to be attracted to my site. I want bright ideas and I want a brighter future. I want in this one location to have all of the useful information and tips. So, of course, I used the light bulb graphic. And then we started getting into the typographic ads. I kept to my font choices. I switched it up a little bit to draw in the user's eye and attention, and I used clever little phrases like live your dream, because who doesn't want to live their dream, right? And then dream creative, focusing on the creative aspect. So this has been my presentation on Artly. I know it was short and sweet. And you can see here I have my Twitter URL if you want to go and check that out. There's more information on that site. Thank you so much for your time, and I appreciate it. Thank you.